Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with RecordQuest for document retrieval in counties step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the RecordQuest website. You will be directed to the subscription page. Here, you will see different subscription plans available for document retrieval. Choose the plan that best suits your needs by clicking on the corresponding option. After selecting a plan, fill out the registration form with your personal details. This typically includes your name, email address, and a secure password. Ensure that you review the terms and conditions before proceeding. Once you've completed the form, click the Create Account or Register button. Next, check your email for a verification message from RecordQuest. Open the email and click the verification link to confirm your account. Upon verification, return to the RecordQuest website and log in with your new credentials. After logging in, navigate to the Document Retrieval section. Select the county from which you wish to retrieve documents. Enter the required details, such as document type and date range. Review your selections carefully to ensure accuracy. Once satisfied, proceed to the Payment section to finalize your subscription. Enter your payment information and click the Submit button to complete the transaction. You can begin making requests for documents from your chosen counties. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.